So today I was going to do a video taking the mickey out of the wife for using the big parking sensor on the back of the truck on the Corsa and doing this to it. But then I went and ripped my front bumper off on the school run because I'm an idiot. Now, what I need to do is undo some of these bolts and bits and get this one off. And another thing I'm going to do, I think, is grease up these threads, clean them up on there, and try and adjust up the adjust them up to get a bit, about another centimetre of height on the front of the car, I think. That's been ripped out. That one hasn't, luckily. This has been all of these been ripped out, look. Damn it. It'll be interesting to see what sort of footage I get up for this, because normally I just use a tripod and get it going, but I've had a question recently asking why I don't just strap the camera to my head or to my chest. I thought I'd try the chest first on this little video. Yeah, I've really screwed this up a lot more than I thought I had. But I'm hoping it won't take much to fix it. Normally I would use bolts, but to be honest I've ripped half of this to bits anyway, so to be fair, if anything, it's probably going to be stronger like this. It would be like anything else anyway, so it's good to me. Oh, what a knob. Oh, look at that, right in there. What a bell end. Okay. 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 There we go. That's more like it. So there we are, bumper back on, covered bits of damage, but she lives to fight another day, so I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, let us know by hitting a like and a subscribe underneath this video, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell just to let you know when we bring out some new videos and new content. Thanks a lot, and keep your eyes peeled for our next video that's coming.